important is that it means that the Supreme Court doesn't get to decide every issue under the sun. The Supreme Court only decides constitutional questions, and we're going to talk today, and we'll read Marbury about its authority to decide constitutional questions. But it only gets to decide them in the context of a case or a controversy, only in the process of an adversarial proceeding. Right? That's why every famous Supreme Court decision has a name that's two parties, right? Roe versus Wade, McCulloch versus Maryland, Youngstown, Sheet and Steele versus Sawyer. Eyad, who just completed his doctorate in constitutional law over in Europe, you can give him a standing ovation here, can tell you that that's not the case everywhere. In the German Constitutional Court, for instance, or in France with the Constitutional Council, or in Italy, and a number of jurisdictions, a law can be challenged not by an individual party in an adversarial proceeding, or not only, but also by the minority party in Parliament or by the federal government. They can challenge the law. This is called abstract review. But there's no such thing in the United States as abstract review, where the law just comes before the court and the court says constitutional, not constitutional. Right? The court is only deciding cases and controversies. It's only resolving disputes between parties. And this has been understood as a limitation on the judicial power. Right? We've given this enormous power to the courts, but they can only exercise it in the context of cases and controversies. They're not self-starting. They only resolve the disputes that come before them and are properly raised in the context of a case or controversy. And we're going to look at this not in great detail, but we're going to talk more about what that means. We're going to talk about limits to the court's jurisdiction, its prudential limits, the political question doctrine, the court's refusal to decide certain cases. All right. Okay. Any questions about any of this? Any other thoughts about Article 1 that you've wondered about all your life? And now's your chance to talk about.